Hello guys, and this is something I've been really trying to look for around the internet for a month now, and I finally found it. Basically, this video I'm going to show you how to disable this annoying sound. You know this one, wait. This lightsaber sound that's on your volume on that. Yeah, it's getting really irritating now, so in this video I'll show you how to disable it. So let's begin. So basically I open a new tab. So where you need to go is you need to, on the search bar, you need to type in google.com/Star Wars. That's what you need to type. I'll put the link in the description. And then this page comes up. It says, yeah, I've joined the dark side because I like the red lightsaber. And where you need to go is you need to click on where it says change side. And here we are, where I'm on the dark side. There's the light side. But where you really want to go is you click on the middle here. You see that in the middle? There's like a circle. Yeah, you click on that. So you go, yeah, and here you click back to default, right? So you click that. So I guess, yeah, we're back to default now. So now let's go back to this video, refresh the page. There you go.
Hello YouTube.
Yeah, that's one of my old videos.
I've been wanting to do this video for a very long time. And now.
You see? It's gone now. It's back to normal. So yeah. And if those of you who watch my videos, you might notice that I've changed my name of my channel. I changed it to Eddie Juegos because I thought that it might be a name that will be easy to remember other than the other one. Just for like, it's shorter, so yeah, so I feel like, it's easy to remember, like have you checked like Eddie Juegos videos? Yeah, that's why I changed it. So yeah, that's gonna be my new channel name from now on. Well, I know, for those of you who know, Juegos is Spanish for games, but not all my videos will be about games. It'll be about anything in general. So yeah, so I got I'm planning a big video soon enough because I want to buy a new microphone for so when I do a video, because there's a microphone on my laptop, but the quality is terrible. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos. And there you go. That's how to disable the annoying lightsaber sound on YouTube. So yeah, bye bye.